Okay, Ben, here is the Barbie bath set with Barbie's bath. I printed it in white because you or your daughter can get a texter, like a permanent marker texter, like Sharpies. You can get them from Safeway, Woolworths, a pack of Sharpies with all different colours. They work good, and then you can colour in this white stuff that I'm making for Barbie any colour you like, or she can, because it colours in very well. So here's a bath, and then here is a sink. She can wash her hands. And then here's her toilet, where she can do poopies. Go. Oh. Oh. That's what she'd be doing on that, I suppose. Oh, I ate too much today. Oh. So there's that set. And then this is the other set I'm making. It's a bunk bed, double-story bed with a ladder. And then here's a wardrobe that has to be put together. It's got the door there with the pins that go in there. The door opens and closes. Here, I'll show you. So it's just started. It's going to take one day. How long again? It's going to take 1 day, 12 hours, 10 minutes. And it's going to use 192 grams, which is 64.48 meters of plastic, which isn't too bad. So that's the bed, and that's the wardrobe where she can put her clothes. I'm assuming you've got clothes, don't you, Jasmine, for your Barbie? Anyway, I'll keep making other stuff. Each day I'll make you another thing. This is day 1. I wonder how much stuff I can make for Barbie. I guess you could get blue tack and stick this down in her dollhouse or whatever you have. I don't know what you got, but anyway.